This video is about a macro to export every worksheet of an Excel workbook as a separate workbook. We have 6 worksheets in this workbook. For creating a macro for exporting each of this worksheet as a separate workbook, go to the Developer tab, click on Visual Basic, insert a module. I will name this macro as Export Worksheet as Workbook. Declare in memory X sheet as worksheet, X book as workbook, X path as string, X path equal double quotes. This variable X path will be used to store the path of the output folder. I need the workbooks to be exported into this folder called Exported Workbooks. So I will copy this path. We'll paste it here. Add a backslash, double quotes. Application.screen updating equal false. This statement is to turn off the screen updating and to speed up the code. Application.display alerts equal false. This statement will suppress the warning messages. Now a for loop for looping through every worksheet in this workbook. For each X sheet in active workbook.sheets, set xbook equal workbooks.add, and this statement is for creating a new workbook for every iteration of the loop. xsheet.copy after equal xbook.sheets xbook.sheets.count is to copy the worksheet referred in the loop into the new workbook. xbook.worksheets sheet1.delete is to delete the worksheet named sheet1, which is there by default when we create a new workbook. And I need the new workbook to have the name of the sheet referred in the loop. For that, xbook.save as xpath ampersand xsheet.name ampersand double quotes dot xlsx double quotes xbook.close next X sheet to close the loop. Back to our worksheet. Now when I execute the macro, all these 6 sheets will be exported as separate workbooks into this folder called Exported Workbook in the F drive of my PC. Click on Macros. Click on the Run button to execute the macro. And you can see here the workbooks are being created. Let me open one of them. Once again with a different set of worksheets. This is the same workbook which I used in the video on 3D sum. And in this workbook we have 12 different sheets. To export all these sheets as separate workbooks, click on Macros. As the macro we just created is in another workbook, here we have a lengthy name, but it doesn't matter. Click on the Run button to execute the macro. You can see here every worksheet of this workbook are being exported as separate workbook. 12 new workbooks have been created. Please note that the program will return an error if your workbook contains a hidden sheet. In that case, an if statement should be added to exclude the hidden sheets from the loop. I hope you will find this video useful. For feedback and discussion, please make use of the comment section. And those who are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss anything. Thanks for watching and have a great day.